Hey guys, I'm taking the sunroof out today. There's one video on YouTube. I guess his name is Peter Carson or Carton. I follow him as well. But in order to remove all the sunroof, proper way to do it is you have a headliner here that needs to be removed. Once you pop the mirror open and unscrew the sun visors, unscrew the buttons for the sunroof, you have to go on top and remove this black metal piece. Once you remove that, then you can see a gap here. That's where one of the headliners will be. You have to pop that open and the whole headliner will kind of fall out. Then, easy way to do it, I decided to change this without breaking it. And, well, I mean, like, I broke the plastic piece. But, yes. So, to remove the sunroof, you have to open the sunroof. You have to unscrew these two things right here. After you unscrew this, then you open this widely. There's a plastic rubber. You have to move this away, and then you can see there's two more screws inside there. I already have mine disassembled. I'm just doing this to show you guys that. Here's one. And here's two. Same goes on the other side. So what you're gonna do then, so you're gonna unscrew both sides and you're gonna get on top, and the window will just pop out like that. And it's heavy. Sorry for my phone and all that stuff. Then there'll be this metal piece here. You have to unscrew that as well. You just 4 bolts. You unscrew it, you pull it out. So then you can do the same thing on the other side. And then to take this out, like you can see, it gets stuck. So that's because I already took it out and put it back in. What I'm gonna do is put back the battery on. Put that bad boy on. The keys on. Don't disconnect this whole thing. You need it constantly to work. So you can see the sunroof is moving. So what we do is close it. On the side's not working. All that fix. There you go. So once you have all that, so we have this thing. So what you do is you pull this forward. Once you have it all the way forward, there's a latch right here. If you could see, that's the latch. So what you need to do when you open the sunroof, this latch and this, it holds it, so when you open the sunroof, the whole panel goes back with the sunroof, and then you can't close the panel because the sunroof is open. And Mercedes did that. I guess people forget, and you have rainy day, everything will get wet. So in order to open this, once you're opening a sunroof, you have to pry it down a little. Just press down. My hand hurts here. I had a surgery done on this, but anyways, I'll get this done. What you do is just when you open it, and you could see one side is pried down and the other side is not, so the other side will get pull on it. So what I'm gonna do is close everything back, and then I'm gonna get it. Let's do this. This is one. Let's get this side. There you go. So now your sunroof metal pieces will slide back like it's supposed to. And I told you have to remove that metal piece that's there right there. Once you do that, put this back. Let's put this pop right open. You don't have to break anything. And I'm just gonna swap it out. Thank you for today. Bye.